Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Crack It. In this video, I am going to tell you some good colleges for engineering under Kcet. First of all, congratulations with your Kcet result. No matter what your rank is, you will get a good college with a good branch. If your rank is under 1.2k, you can choose these colleges. If you have a ranking between 2000 to 20,000, then you can choose these colleges. You can try for good branches in this college. If your ranking is above 20,000, then try these colleges. My suggestion to all students is to wait till third round or second extended round so that you can get desired college with your desired branch. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more such informative content. Thank you.